and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by today. We're going to be doing a power hour today. I have got a ton of stuff to do. I don't have much time, so I thought, well, I'll just pick up the camera and do a power hour really quickly and try to get as much done as I can. So I need to make up my bed. We're in my bedroom, by the way, which is a complete disaster. But so we're going to be making up my bed. I've got some laundry to hang. I've got some dishes to do. I need to straighten out my bathroom, straighten up the living room. So I'm hoping that I can get to all this within the hour that I need to. I've got to go to Silverware Recovery here in just a little bit. And I really need to get this done because I have a house to do tomorrow. And I just need to get as much done as I can because Saturday we're going to be starting to prepare for Thanksgiving, and I'm cleaning out my garage because we're going to set up tables and eat in the garage for Thanksgiving. So I've got to get that cleaned out, and I just have like a lot of things, and I want to have everything like streamlined so that when everybody leaves from Thanksgiving that I can put up my Christmas decor. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. I've been watching everybody do their decor and I am dying to do mine. So I'm trying to get like as many things done to get it to where I can just have time to do my decor, my Christmas decor. Anyway, alright. I am setting a timer. Let's see here. So I've set it for an hour. Let's see how much we can get done. Let's get started.
Y'all, I absolutely hate hanging up laundry. I don't know why, but it just drives me insane. I think because it's so tedious. I do not mind washing and drying clothes, but I really don't even mind folding. I hate putting clothes on hangers. I know that's so silly, but let me know in the comments below if you like to put clothes on hangers or if it bothers you at all. I just think it's so stinking tedious. Ugh. I really don't like laundry. But, you know, we got to do what we got to do, right? So earlier I said that I was going to go to Celebrate Recovery, and I just want to talk to you about that for a second. I love Celebrate Recovery. Me and my husband attend every Thursday night, and we love it. It's been absolutely life-changing. We've been through the 12-step program. I teach the 12-step program every now and then, and it is just such a blessing to me. When you hear Celebrate Recovery, you think maybe, you hear that word recovery, and you think maybe alcohol or drug addiction, but it encompasses so much more than that. Celebrate Recovery is for anybody with any type of hurt, hang-up, or habit. So things that you might go for would be like a food addiction, divorce, baggage from divorce, marital issues going on, grief, self-worth, anxiety, depression, just anything that you might need support for. You could go. Those are just a few things. There's so many other things that I can't think of right off the top of my head, but those are things that, are definitely prevalent at a Celebrate Recovery group. So if you are interested and you live in my Little Rock area, let me know, and maybe you can come and try out a class with me one night. Or if you have a Celebrate Recovery in your town, go try it out. If you're struggling and need some support of some type, if you're having feelings of suicide, or you're just alone and you are depressed, go try one out and get some support and see if you like it. I'm sure that you'll meet some friends there and like-minded people that will just love on you and help you through whatever you're going through. Y'all, I did not get my dishes done and my hour is up, but that's okay because they'll still be there when I get home and I can just do them when I get home. But it was so nice to do this power hour and get as much creamed in as I could. So when I get home, all I have to do is those dishes and go to bed. And it was just nice of y'all to hang out with me today. If you're new, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all look at my crazy cat. He wants me to leave him alone. He is such a spoilt mess. Lord help him. He's also very lazy. Anyway, so thank y'all so much for hanging out. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize